After returning from Pangong Lake, we stayed at this hotel in Tangtse. Tangtse is situated around 34 kilometers from Pangong Lake and around 127 kilometers from Leh.
Oh, fresh caught mushroom,
As you can see,
hotel में use करते हैं.
these are all frozen.
ये पनीर भी अंदर पानी होता है.
अंदर पानी होता है, पानी को गिराओ.
कितना महीने तक?
ये 200 दूसरे वाला 120 है, छोटा वाला.
After leaving Tangtse, we headed towards our next destination, Chumathang, which is on the way to Somoriri Lake and Han Lake. On the way, we will be passing through the famous Changla Pass. Our stay at Tangtse was a very memorable one because of the extreme cold that we had to endure during the night. Last night, the temperature was minus 28 degrees Celsius. Due to the extreme terrain and the remoteness of the area, there is no proper dedicated electricity connection available in the villages over here. The villages over here get electricity only for a few hours by the help of the generators run by our Indian Army. At the hotel we stayed, we were provided by a gas heater in our room. But the condition was such that we could use this gas heater only till 10 pm. This was due to the instructions by local authority and the army to avoid any mishaps caused due to the inhalation of poisonous gases emitted by the gas heater at night when the occupants of the room are asleep. If you are visiting Pangong Lake during winter season, I would highly suggest you to make a day trip from Leh. If you are traveling from Nubra Valley to Pangong Lake, then I would highly suggest you to leave early in the morning from Nubra so that you can reach Leh by dark after visiting Pangong Lake. We spent some time admiring the beauty of this frozen water body that we found on the way to Changla Pass. So finally we are at the top of Changla Pass. Situated around 17,688 feet above sea level, Changla Pass is one of the highest motorable road in the world. Changla Papa का मंदिर